Okay, quick little video here. The quick and easy way to get the emergency brake out of a vehicle. You can see they've got these little, I've already done these ones. You see they got these little clips on them here. When they go in that hole there, these pop in. You can see here another one. And they hold it in there like that. This one right here, somebody's tried to take off wrong, which made me think of this video here for you. The easy and quick way to get these out with no special tools. Here it is. Okay, you can see her here. All it takes, there we go. An easy 13mm wrench. Slip it over it like that. Push hard down on it, like that. Just like that. The wrench here, when it goes over that, it'll push these little fingers in, and then these are Dad's snap-on ones, so I didn't want to do it. But if you need to, you can smack it with a hammer. That'll compress these, and it'll pop it right out. Little easy one there. The other easy way is to flip the car on its side. Makes it real easy to do this, but I don't recommend that. Okay, back to work on stripping this Jeep.